What is up, y'all? Welcome to a new clean with me video. You guys, this is my first clean with me video, and we're gonna start off with deep cleaning my kitchen. I'm gonna do my fridge first, deep cleaning, and then also the stove, and we'll organize if we have time. But this kitchen needs to be handled, y'all. And so welcome to my first deep clean with me video. I might just come see you today. So I always like to start off with doing my dishes first, because a sink full of dishes, girl, no thank you. And plus it makes me feel like I'm already halfway done with doing the kitchen. So now I'm just unloading the dishes and putting them away, and then I'm gonna do another load and start my deep clean right after that. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and feel like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it. You guys, literally, how many measuring cups can I have, y'all? It's so funny.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. Will love it when I'm playing games.
So for all my mamas out there who watch my content and your house is messy, I hope this motivates you as well as me watching this myself, because I am a mom of 2 toddlers and my house can get messy and cluttered, and it does feel like, okay, you just clean this area and the kids just mess this area up again, and your mind can be cluttered, y'all. So let me just remind you guys, a clean home is a clear mind. And yes, things can get overwhelming when you're a working mom, when you have a job, but you also are the primary parent of your kids. But I just want this video to motivate any mom out there who just feels overwhelmed or feels like they're not doing enough. If you're providing for your children, you're getting up every day to make them breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you're working, you're also cleaning your home so they have a clear space to move around in, you're doing perfectly fine, y'all. But a clean home is a clear mind.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you, I'm hurting without you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to running back. See, my days are cool without you. Without you, I'm hurting without you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies.
Not too much on this space, y'all. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys have like a cabinet where you guys just put anything in, but this was like our little corner where we just put anything in, our mail, our kids' toys, just anything in there. So you see me getting a bag and separating what I really need, what needs to be thrown away, and what thing needs to be put back in its place. You guys, I learned this a few years ago. Here's a cleaning hack. Everything has its own place, so once you put that thing in that own place, whether that be a toy, a book, your journal, your stuff for school, whatever, of course everything is gonna look more clean, more clear, and put together and less decluttered, y'all. So I'm getting this corner handled, and never ever ever again will we be doing this.
I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and oh no.
Call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Let me take you through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
So many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on letting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. Accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave, you always tell me that you need.
You guys, when I tell you my oven has not been deep cleaned in I don't know when, this was a big task for me. And I do have a like deep cleaning stove like cleanser, but look how broken that shit was. You guys, it's broken. I can't even use it, so I have to go back to my handy dandy all-in-one cleansers or whatever. And I did get the job done, but I'm gonna roll this clip and let you guys see me deep clean this oven. I was scrub-a-dub-a-dubbing, and oh my gosh, you won't believe what I got off of this oven.
I play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and oh no, that like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and on that like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can't take.
Girl, I would be lying to you if I didn't tell you how proud I was about cleaning this freaking oven, you guys. I'm putting back these little things in the oven, and this one was giving me a difficult time, y'all, but I figured it out, and I was just so in awe of how clean I got it. You guys seen in the last clip how dirty my hands got from this oven, and I just was so proud to like be able to do that. And it took me, I don't even know, you guys, honestly, probably 30 minutes, a little bit more, but I was working, I was putting in work, sweating, y'all.
I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me, then it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more, no more. My days are cold without you, and my heart can't take no more. No more.
when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you and us forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and on them. That like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you and us forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and on that like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you.
So not too much on this area right here, you guys. I cook every day, and this little spot right here is from me cooking and not cleaning up right away like I normally do. But that little pancake mix on the counter right there is gonna get swept up right away, you guys. And check out my 10-pack fridge organizer. Check out a video for that coming up, because I cannot wait to organize my fridge how I really want to. But yeah, let's continue watching this video.
My heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same.
Comment down below if you know what this is. Y'all, I painted it so long ago.
Oh, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, no more. My days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, no more.
I might just come see you today.
might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me do some magic and on that like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You be and I'll be there. Be there.
Let's get into this fridge clean out, you guys. Of course, I have to get all the food out of the fridge first and get everything situated. And I'm doing it in a timely manner because the stuff is cold, you guys. And so you'll see me doing that. And I am really, really amazed and surprised of how dirty this fridge was. Again, I haven't deep cleaned. I have 2 toddlers under the age of 2. And yeah, look at how dirty this fridge is. I cannot believe it, you guys. Ugh. But like I said, this is a deep clean video, a deep clean kitchen. So we don't judge over here.
See, my days are cold without you. But I'm hurting my way. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you.
So you guys, I'm just really scrubbing this. I think something that was still in the package, you guys, got stuck to this. And so I'm just using my force, my muscles or whatever to really get this out. And I'm using 2 sponges and also like a bristle thing to get it really off. And those were my only main things that I used to scrub. And there's the close-up, you guys. I had to go to the sink and really get that and like rinse it off at the sink. But yeah, you guys, when you are a mom of 2 young children and you also work and you also cook and everything, sometimes these things happen. So please, when you see a mom who looks overwhelmed or a mom whose kids are put together but she's looking a hot mess, give her some grace, y'all. But yeah, I'm getting it done, getting this thing back in order or whatever.
Because I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. My days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more.
I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and on that like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, and I'll be there.
Now these little storages on the bottom had me in a freaking chokehold. How disgusting is that? I could not believe it. Like I said, you guys, this was a deep clean fridge, and I was using my handy dandy all-in-one cleansers to get this stuff out, you guys. Like I said, I don't know when the last time I cleaned this fridge, but I'm glad I was able to do so now, because I had got all this stuff up, and I'll show y'all the after what it looks like. But I did a great job cleaning this fridge, y'all.
We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic in on me. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You be, and I'll be there. Be there.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting my you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back, don't run back. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting my you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone.
Okay, you guys, so that was my clean with me video, my declutter, deep cleaning of my kitchen, deep cleaning of my stove, dishes, you guys, organize. That is my goal, or one of my goals for 2025. But I did organize the kitchen a lot today. In the fridge, definitely. Like I said, I couldn't get like the shelf or whatever, but I got the main problem of this fridge, and so I'm really proud about that. Now I can really go grocery shopping, because I really didn't want to like keep stocking the fridge when it's not super clean, like when it's not organized or decluttered. Like, so I'm glad I did that. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you liked it, if you want more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. Turn on your post notifications so you know every time that I post a new video. And thank y'all for watching a deep clean with me or whatever, because y'all kind of kept me company. I felt like I was on FaceTime or whatever, playing my 90s and 2000s music and vibing. But yeah, you guys, I'm glad I was productive today, but I have to go now because my babies are coming back home, and so I have to be a mother again, period. And that's that on that. So yeah, you guys, I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.